Hello everyone, welcome to this second assembling session of my Cities of Sigmar army. In this video, I'll assemble two Freeguild Steelhelms Standard Bearers in different poses, and I'll convert one of them. First, I detach the component I will need to assemble the model from the plastic frame. I follow the instructions in the booklet. All the pieces are clearly identified on the frame. Look at the beautiful, crisp details on these models' parts. We have the choice of two different ornaments for the top of the standard pole. I'll go with the unicorn head for my first assembly. Once all the parts are detached, it's time to remove the mold lines. I also make sure the contact points are clean, so that the bond is solid when I glue the pieces together. I do a dry fit before applying glue. Now is a good time to determine how we'd like the model's arms to be positioned. I follow the assembly steps in the booklet and glue the parts together one by one. The glue sets fast, so it's important to be precise. I'm gonna attach the arm that holds the bugle so that the head is clear and easy to reach when time comes to paint the face. I'll orient the head as if it's looking in the direction of the instrument, ready to blow a command. I hold the parts together for at least 10 seconds before releasing the pressure. For now, I'm not gonna glue the right arm. This way, it will be easier to paint and attach the decals to the banner. The interchangeable elements on this model are limited to the ornament on top of the banner and the soldier's head. So for the second assembly, I'm gonna be more daring and I'll use different components from another body to assemble the soldier. The important is to make sure that there will be no interference between the right leg and the standard pole. I'm gonna use a soldier with a stronger build. I think the components to assemble the battle priest, part 15 to 17, would be good candidates. I need to do some tests. There you go, this will work. If you want a different standard bearer than the one suggested in the booklet, don't hesitate to test and customize your model. And now it's time for a conversion. I realized that there's no left hand holding a weapon, so I'm gonna make some simple modifications. decided to glue the banner on this one because the pole touches the belly of the soldier, and assembling it after painting may be more complicated. Do you like this conversion idea? There you have it. Our 2 Freeguild Steelhelms Standard Bearers are ready to be painted. For more details on assembling your army, watch the episode in which I assembled the Freeguild Steelhelm. I gave more explanation in this video. I will now assemble a few more models to get them ready for painting. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Last week, I took advantage of the Black Frost event to purchase several other models from Fenris Workshop. I wish to paint them all, and I intend to film my sessions and share them with you on this channel. Thank you, Fenris, for the awesome giveaways and your amazing service. You guys are fueling my creativity. If you need material to paint your models, or you're looking for a place to buy Games Workshop miniatures, I recommend you take a look at Fenris Workshop online store. I'll leave an affiliated link to their website in the video description. Check it out for more details. In the next episode of this series, I'll paint one of these Freeguild Steelhelms Standard Bearers. I'll also share the simple technique I learned to attach the decals. Have you started assembling your Cities of Sigmar army? Let me know in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Also, feel free to ask questions and make special requests. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy modeling and take care.